Hello there, I am Tukustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Here I will continue the last video for grade 9, which is how to use Scratch, working with Scratch. Scratch is a high-level block-based visual programming language designed as an educational tool for programming. Mostly it helps students or kids how to code a program. They make them logical thinker, and it motivates them for as a career for developing high programming language, developing a program using high level programming language. Scratch helps you to code simple stories, animations, and games. Using blocks, it's possible to develop or create stories, animations, and games. Just you can download from this site, HTTPS. It's a secure site, Scratch, Massachusetts Information Technology, here MIT.edu lab. Just you can download from this site and you can use. The sprites are the actors or main characters of the project. Let me open here the program. Here by default uh, Scratch Scratch program version 3. There is an object on the stage. We call it a sprite. The sprite. First it says here, the sprites are the actors or main characters of the project here. Sprites are programmed to do something on the Scratch. They are programmed to do something on the Scratch. The windows has four main elements, the stage and the sprite are the first two. On the stage, here is a window for a Scratch program, version 3.29.1. Here a Scratch with file edit. At the right side, there is window here. This window you have two parts, the stage and the sprite are the two elements under this program. Sprites are programmed to do something in the Scratch. The windows are four main elements. The stage and the sprite are the first two. The other two are the programming palette and the script. On the left side, there is a palette and a script on the program. Here is a palette and here is a script area. When you want to prepare a story or animation or game, we will develop a script here. Here is already prepared blocks. We have a motion. Under motion, it's possible to move a sprite 10 steps, possible to turn 15 degrees. Under looks, possible to say hello. It's possible to say a message hello. We can add sounds. It's possible also to record by yourself. For instance, here play sound, it says record. You can record your own. For instance, just by click on the record, you can you can record your own sound and you can be used as a background for a specific story. Events here, when clicked this flag sign, the sprite do something. Just when the space key pressed using the keyboard. Here are control. Wait for 1 second. Something operators. These are blocks that are used for a variety of statements, sequential or branching or looping. The other two programming palette in the script. The script tells the actors what to say or do. What to say or do. The script is developed by taking graphic objects from the palette. On the palette there are motions. Here, let me demonstrate this. We have this sprite. Possible to change this sprite or it's possible to use this sprite. For instance, when we click on the right side here, choose the sprite it says. We have variety of the sprites here. By category: animals, with people, fantasy, for instance, sports. You cannot. For instance, it's possible to change. You can delete the first sprite, or you can use both. Here, you can delete and you can change by this, or you can add additional sprites. You can change also the background. How can you change the background? Here on the right side, choose a background. It says, for instance, let me choose this and delete this sprite. And it's possible to prepare your own paint. For instance, here paint, it says paint. Let me prepare the specific car. Possible to copy or control V. There the arrow. You can draw a small car like this and you can move. For instance, here under code, what you have to do on this car. Just let me move 10 steps. For instance, when we click the flag, means the event. We have to choose the event here. When we want to click on this, it moves, for instance, 10 steps. Here, 10 steps. 10 steps. Just let me, as a beginner, you have to practice by using variety of here. Delete this, change the background to sport field, sport, for instance, sports. Make it this here. For instance, after preparing this, let me add a sprite under sport, goalkeeper, add the sprite, the ball kicker. Jordan also. Here, make it here. Then add a ball. Make it here the ball. Then to kick the ball, just when the flag is clicked, okay, go to here, where to Jordan. I think the goalkeeper is Jordan. Here, I mean Casey. Go to Casey. When click, the ball is moved to Casey. Casey. Just make it here. When we click this, the ball is moved to Casey. Just here as a sample, a simple code. Just by this way, you can create your own attractive animations or stories. Thank you.